Claude AI made this PDF resume from a few lines of basic info: writing, formatting, layout, all done in a few simple steps. This is a game-changer AI. Let me show you how. First, go to Claude AI and make a free account. Once you're in, just type, "I want to make a resume." Claude will pop up a few quick interactive questions to understand what you need. It starts with your file format. Pick one of the options. Then it asks whether you're starting from scratch or have existing content. Select whichever applies to you. After that, it asks for more details. Choose your job role, and then your experience level. Now it wants in-depth details. I'll give it my info along with a short instruction at the top, telling Claude how to handle the content, things like expanding the bullet points and keeping it ATS friendly. Below that is just my basic info, rough job titles, and one-liners. That's all you need. If you want to use the same prompt, it's in the description. Now it will take a moment to generate the resume. Once it's done, you can see a complete professional resume, all sections structured and formatted properly. Now look at the bullet points. It took my basic notes and turned them into full professional bullet points with real context and impact. This is where Claude really shows its strength. The resume looks great, but you can always ask Claude to refine it. Change the layout, tweak the wording, adjust the formatting, anything. Once you're happy with it, just hit download and you've got your PDF ready to send. Just make sure the information on the resume is accurate and genuine before you use it. If this video helped you make your resume with Claude, give it a like and subscribe for more resume-related videos. Thanks for watching.